What's up, guys? Welcome to day 34. Yes, today we're walking. We're trying to catch up, y'all. I'm starting late today. I'm being so naughty, y'all. I know I shouldn't start this late. It looks so nice now because the sun is about to go down, and I am trying to walk these steps so fast. My pace is like Sonic Hedgehog. I'm trying to down the street, y'all, so I can catch up with this time, get my steps in. Hey, hey, it's all right. We're gonna do this, y'all. This is just a quick reminder that we walking these 10,000 steps, and you all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's gonna be dark, but guess what? I did it. Boom! 10,000 steps. Because guess what? We are not playing. This is daily motivation. I come to motivate you. You, yes, you. We are gonna do these steps, even if we gotta do them in the dark. Hey, but be safe. I'm gonna try to remain safe and do what I need to do, but I'm getting these steps in. Hey, you see the curls popping? They all over the place. But that's okay, because we doing it, y'all. And you know, before I go, I gotta wish you great health. I wish you great wealth. And I want you to be surrounded, woo, by love. Hey, because love is everything, y'all. All right, take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Mwah. It's February 4th, 7:11 p.m. and I walked 11,846 steps for the day. All right, let's keep walking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.